Of niet?
Zo kan je film opbouwen.
Ja, nee. Yo, welcome. Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to a new video with my friend. He made another Lego car, and I accidentally deleted last video. Well, I was making video, I accidentally deleted it, so now I have to start all over again. Now this is Lego car, and we are at the same place as last video, I think. And well, there are 3 weeks between it, so yeah. Ja, ik ga hier weer filmen. Okay, now we're on a better piece, and it's going a bit faster, but not faster. And so yeah, it's really powerful. It's not fast, but it is really powerful, so it can handle rough terrain and that kind of shit.
Hallo.
Biskind.
Zal ik er zo meteen om je heen laten rijden?
So that way, I think. So I'm now looking if there are bottles. No bottles.
Nico, kijk eens. Hier.
So more bottles, no bottles.
Die dingen gek.
Ball. Are there bottles? I see a can, but no can refrigerator more. So he's now driving uphill.
Zal ik net op zonder sporten? Zijn er glijbaan of niet?
I have geen idee. I think it's too slippery. Oh, backflip. So now it's going, I hope it's going uphill. It's... Oh! Ah.
Nee, Nico, hij gaat vallen, ik weet het zeker. Nee, niet 45. Nee.
Bruh.
Ik geef het langzamer. Wacht, Nico, ik moet even wat doen. Oh, kijk.
Misschien moet je hem opzetten. The big old ice cream, guys. Ice cream. And the big old fries. Oh, fries.
Ik ga het nu halen, denk ik.
By the way, we are going uphill now. He made it! Now downhill. Look at this view, guys. Look. Haha. I want one of these things. Oh.
Wil je nog één filmpje of...
Ah.
Nico, zal ik hem door de tunnel doen?
The tunnel.
Works. Wacht, ik ga even naar boven, want ik wil gaan rijden.
Ja.
Oh nee, ik ga gewoon hier zitten.
Ja.
Nee, ik kan het niet doen.
Through the tunnel.
Ik ga even naar de andere kant.
Yep. And out tunnel we are. Follow! Follow! Any bottles in here? Please, bottles, please. Bottles.
Ga eens kijken hoe
Nope.